Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you all about the creation of Amazon KDP journals in few steps, the step-by-step tutorial, all you need to know in getting started. And yeah, in today's video, if you master the video properly, you can even create as much as 20 journals in a day. Yeah, 20 journals, and each of these journals can take at least 2 minutes if you're actually good in what I'm going to explain in today's video. And yeah, if you're the hardworking type, you can even make up to 50 journals in a day. Yep, you can actually do that if you're the hardworking type. So without wasting much more time, you see my face for the very first time, make sure to subscribe as I do upload lovely content that's about to watch in today's video. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And without wasting much more time, let's hop into what we have for today's video properly. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is to search for BookBoat. Okay, so you want to search for bookboat.com. okay, BookBoat. So as you can see, it's gonna come out, and then you just want to click on the first one over here, bookboat.io. okay, so now as you can see, I already have an account. If you don't have an account, first thing you want to do is to register. You want to create an account. Okay, so to create an account, normally immediately you come in, you're gonna see over here where we have login. Okay, where we have login, you're gonna see register, and then you just want to register. Okay, and then you add your account details, your card number, and the rest. Okay, so you're basically subscribing, and immediately you subscribe with the first version, the starter version. All you want to do is to go back to settings and then delete the card. Very important if you're not ready to pay. Okay, you need to take note of this. Immediately you register and you're being asked of your card, you add your card, and then you're in like this, the way the screen is showing right now. All you want to do is to come back to where you have your profile over here, as I'm showing you guys. You want to come here, and then you want to come to subscription settings. When you come to subscription settings, you want to delete the card. Okay, I already have my card deleted, but if you're the type who's ready to actually use this continuously, you don't need to delete it. Okay, you just need to pay a sum of $20, okay, every single month. But as you can see over here, my card isn't here anymore. So as I said earlier on, you need to delete it immediately. Register. Okay, good. So now let's hop into what we have properly for today. Okay, so I'm going to go back into their main home page. So immediately you register, this is how it's going to look like. So what you want to do is to come over here where you have research. Okay, and then you want to come to create. You want to click on create, and then you want to click on BookBoat Studio. Okay, so now this is where you need to set up. Make sure to watch this closely. Okay, now you want to click on create project. Okay, and then you want to ensure this paperback, the project type is in paperback, cover, and interior. And then you want to give your project a name. So I'm just going to give this Kid Cares 1. Okay, and then your trim size, this is usually the most accepted size, 6 x 9 inches, although you can use other sizes, but this is highly recommended, 6 x 9. Okay, so you want to go for 6 x 9, and then your interior, black and white interior with white paper. This is also okay, this is the standard. Okay, and then you want to ensure this bleed type. Normally you can put no bleed. When you put no bleed, it means whichever design you're going to put on your cover page might have might have white edges at the sides of the book cover. Okay, but you want the picture to cover the entire page, so you want to click on bleed. Okay, and then the page counts. How many pages do you want your journal to have? Okay, I'm gonna make mine 150. Okay, and then it depends on whichever page number you want. You can make yours 50, you can make yours 30, whichever. And then you want to click on create project. Okay, and then you want to click on create project. As you can see, now we're inside the main page. Okay, so now as you can see, the first one over here at the left is the cover, and the remaining here is the interior. Okay, the cover and the pages. Okay, so now we're currently in the cover. You can just cancel all this pop-up, just cancel every single one of them. So the first thing you want to do here is to get the image for the cover. Okay, the side at the right is the front page, and the side at the left is the back page. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to come here where you have the file library. Okay, when it comes to file library, and then okay, this is one of the images I uploaded. Now you can either use an image here in Pixabay directly. Okay, you can just download an image based on what type of journal you want to create. And yeah, for this video I'm going to be creating a journal based on New Year, okay, because we're actually in the New Year period. So you want to create a journal based on what's actually trending, okay? You want to create a journal based on what people actually want. Now you can either pick an image from Pixabay over here, or you can just go to pixels.com, okay? You can go to pixels.com, okay? And then you can also get free photos over here, okay? You want to ensure you're picking a photo that doesn't have a copyright. So that's why you can either get it direct here from Pixabay, or you can just come here to Pixels and then search for what your journal is about and then download the image, okay? All the images here are actually free, okay? So now I'm just gonna pick one from Pixabay over here. So I'm just gonna look for something, a good background image I can just use, and then for the 2023 New Year stuff. Okay, let's check through. I think I like this one. I think this is gonna go perfectly. So you just want to click on them. You want to click on the image you want, okay? So it's gonna load. Okay, so it's gonna load, and then all you want to do right now is to adjust the edges. Make sure you're not adjusting like this. Don't adjust like this, okay? Don't adjust like this. Control Z, Control Z, Control Y. Okay, so you want to adjust at the edges, please, so as not to change the, you know, the good dimensions, okay? So I'm just gonna adjust this. You want to ensure this is covering the entire page. As you can see, the edges are outside the line. So this is exactly what bleed means. You want to ensure it is like this, okay? So note, the side at the right is your front page, and the side at the left is your back page, okay? So I think this is very okay. This is very okay. This is okay. I'm just going to expand this again. So this is perfect. This is perfect, guys. This is perfect. So I'm just going to come over here now. All you want to do is to come over here to where you have text, okay? This T over here. You want to click on C, and then you want to click on text with variant, whichever text, okay? But I'm going to click on text with variant, and then you want to come over here to where you have different font types, and then you want to search for the best fonts that you feel would fit your journal properly, okay? So one of my best fonts is usually this Arial over here. Arial, this is usually the one I go for, so I'm just going to go for this. And then all you want to do after clicking on that, you can just cancel this, is to come over here to edit text variant. So you want to edit and then type what you want to type, okay? As for today's journal I'm creating, I want it to be based on New Year, so I'm going to say, I can just say 2023, something easy and direct, okay? No need for New Year. So I'm just going to say 2023, okay? Let's cancel this. It's obstructing. Let's cancel this. Good. So as you can see, 2023, I think this is just perfect, okay? And then I'm going to add another text. So I'm just going to do Control C and then Control V and then drag it down over here. So it's 2023, okay? You know, it's a New Year stuff, probably like 2023 Johnny, okay? That's what I want the journal to be. Maybe, you know, I want people to be able to use the journal to write about how they want 2023 to be, their goals, their, you know, their aims, their future, short-term goals, and the rest. I'm going to edit this again, edit text variants. So I'm going to say plan dot, and then I'm going to put achieve, and then I'm going to put succeed. I think that's actually okay. Succeed. I think this is okay, and then click on OK. All right, and then you just want to reduce this a bit, and then it's gonna be like you know, like a subtitle for the book. Okay, I think this is okay. This is just perfect. Plan, achieve, and succeed. Okay, I'm gonna drop this down a bit, and then I'm gonna change the color, okay, like the main text color to something more brownish. Let's see how it looks like. I think this is even better. I think this is better. I'm gonna change the stroke as well. I don't think I need that black anymore. I think this is way better. I'm just gonna make it 1 probably. No, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I think this is way better, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for this as well. Let's see how it looks like. This is way better to me. So I think I'm just gonna leave it this way. 2023. Plan, achieve, succeed. Something simple. You guys can comment down below on what you think about this one. Okay, so basically what you want to do after this is to come over here where you have the page templates. Okay, so you want to click on page templates, and then as you can see, BookBot already have so many templates you can pick from, but basically what you want to do is to filter out and get the ones that are actually free. Okay, if you're actually doing this for free. Good. So now the next thing you want to do over here is look for the one that best suits you. Okay, so basically I'm making a journal based on new year, achievements and goals. So I'm basically gonna look for something that deals with that. Okay, we have career plan. This actually suits. And then month to-do list. Okay, this also suits. So I'm gonna start with monthly to-do list. Okay, so I'm gonna pick 1, 2, 3. Okay, monthly. Okay, let's make it 5. Good. And then I'm gonna click on next and then submit. Okay, so my first 5 pages are the monthly to-do list, and then I'm also gonna come back over here again to page templates, and then I'm gonna pick the one that deals with the career. Okay, I'm gonna make that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And then next and then submit. Okay, and then for the remaining, we're basically just gonna make those ones a normal writing stuff like this one over here, this first 3. But I'm gonna pick this journal. Looks nicer. Okay, I'm gonna make it a narrow. Ooh, let's make it a wide journal. So basically we're gonna use this for the remaining from 11 downwards. So basically we don't want to waste time, so I'm just gonna click on select all, and then to select these ones. I'm going to select these ones. Good. And then click on next and then submit. So guys, we're basically done with the journal. That's it. That's basically everything. Like I said, you can actually do this in 2 minutes, only because I'm actually explaining, it's a tutorial video for you guys. So once you master this, you can actually do this in even 2 minutes. You can create a lot of journals and then publish on Amazon KDP. Okay, so now immediately we're done with that, all you want to do right now is to come to download over here and then download current project RGB. Okay, this is what you want to click on. So as you can see, it's going to be downloaded, and immediately you download this, it's going to be a compressed file comprising of the cover page and the remaining interior pages. Okay, so all we want to do right now, as this is saving, you want to open another page. I'm going to log into my Amazon KDP account, so you want to click on create over here, and then you're creating as a paperback. Create paperback, not ebook, not hardcover, basically paperback. And then you want to input all the Amazon requirements, all the Amazon information. Book title, my title is going to be 2023 goals journal. I think this is okay. Or goal setting journal. Goal setting journal. This is just perfect. 2023 goal setting journal. And then the subtitle is gonna be let's say 6 times 9 goal setting journal for career. Let's put daily activities, or basically let's say daily plans. And okay, and then you want to come over here to auto, so you want to input your information. As for me, I'm an engineer, so I'm going to say engineer, and then I'm going to say my first name. I'm going to input this real quick. And then your last name as well. I'm gonna input this real quick. I don't have a suffix. I don't think I have a suffix. Then there your description, your book description. So basically, I think I'm just gonna copy this, Ctrl C, come over here, Ctrl V, and then copy this as well, the subtitle, Ctrl C, and then come over. What you want to do now, the publishing rights, you want to click on I own the copyright. And then for your keywords, you want to ensure you're putting in things that people are actually searching for based on this journal, so people can actually find your journal when they want to purchase it. Okay, so as for this journal, I'm going to input 2023, definitely a lot of people will be searching for 2023. Okay, so 2023 journal, and then come over here again. I'm gonna say 2023 itself, or 2023 goal certain journal, and then I can also say choose your category. Okay, this is a low content book, and then choose categories. This is based on 2023. Okay, you know, plans and all the rest. So basically you just want to come over here to where you have juvenile non-fiction. Okay, juvenile non-fiction, you want to click on activity book, or basically I'm just going to click on general. Okay, then save. Good. And now click on save and continue. Okay, you want to click on save and continue. Now as this is saving, you want to come back over here to check. As you can see, your download should have automatically started, and you see we have the book downloaded already. So you want to click on this, and then you want to extract the cover page as well as the interior. As you can see this, you want to click on this, extract to a specified folder. You want to extract it to a place you can easily find it. I'm going to extract it to my desktop. I'm also going to extract this one as well to my desktop. Good. And once that is extracted, all you want to do right now is to come back over here. So publish without an ISBN, you can just leave it like this, and then you can just publish it depending on where you want to publish. I'm going to publish mine on the 1st of December 2022, so tomorrow is going to be New Year. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down over here and ensure this is in bleed. Okay, you want to ensure this is in bleed. Okay, yeah, this is where you're going to be uploading the interior part of the book. Okay, so you're just going to click on upload paperback manuscript, and then you want to click on interior. Okay, the interior part of what you extracted, and then open. So as you can see, it is uploading already, so you just want to wait for these to be uploaded. And then the next one is the book cover. You want to do the same thing. So over here, you're just going to come over here to upload the cover you already have, PDF only. You want to click on this. Okay, and then you want to upload the cover. Okay, this is where you upload the cover as well. So it's also uploading. As you can see, guys, as you can see, this shouldn't even take 2 minutes. Okay, once you master all I'm teaching you guys, it shouldn't even take 2 minutes. You can do this in just few minutes. Okay, and you can even keep on uploading. The more you upload, the more people find different types of your journals, and then order them. Then you're making money. Okay, so this is still uploading, so we're just gonna wait for it. And good, save successful. So the next thing you want to do over here is to launch the preview. We're waiting for this to come up. Come on. Now you want to launch the previews. Okay, as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, this is how the book is gonna look like. And then you can see the monthly to-do list, guys. You can see this. Okay, you can see this. And then a career plan, and like that. So we have normal pages. Good. And then you want to click on approve. Okay, don't just exit, you want to click on approve. Okay, make sure you click on approve before you leave this page. Okay, and then as you can see, all you're left to do right now is to come to the pricing, save and continue, and then you're being taken to the pricing area. Okay, so as you can see, normally I do charge just $6 for mine, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put 5.99, so $5.99, because Amazon is actually going to deduct a sum of, as you can see over here, $2.65 for the printing. Okay, so basically from this I'm just gonna earn like 3, but doesn't really mean. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to click on publish your paperback book, and guys, you are basically done. That's actually all we need to do in uploading this, in creating a KDP journal book. As you can see, your paperback has been submitted, and then it's going to be reviewed for up to a maximum of 72 hours, usually less than that though. And then once that's done, your book is going to be live on the journal area of Amazon. Okay, and then once people see this and like this, as I said, remember, make sure you're creating a journal based on what is trending so as to make sales. Okay, you want to make a journal based on what is trending as to make sales. Okay, so guys, I hope you surely enjoyed and learned a lot from today's video. And if you still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I'm still going to be uploading more and more informative content you definitely don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.